Are you tired of struggling with kidney issues and searching for a natural solution that really works? What if I told you that the key to revitalizing your kidneys might already be in your kitchen? Welcome to Health Buddy, your go-to source for holistic health solutions. Today, we're delving into the top 10 superfoods that can combat proteinuria and boost kidney health efficiently. But before we dive into these superfoods, let's gain a deeper understanding of what proteinuria is. Proteinuria is a condition marked by an excess of protein in urine. Typically, proteins are too large to pass through the kidney's filtration system. But when kidneys are damaged or stressed, they can start leaking protein into urine. This leakage, often symptomless in early stages, can indicate kidney disorders or diseases like diabetes and high blood pressure. Managing proteinuria requires more than medication. It demands significant lifestyle changes, especially in our dietary habits. Now, let's meet our superfoods. Quinoa. This complete protein source contains all 9 essential amino acids crucial for managing proteinuria without overloading kidneys with excess protein waste. Its magnesium content helps regulate blood pressure and diabetes, supporting kidney health. Red bell peppers. Low in potassium, they are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, A, B6, and folic acid. Their antioxidants combat inflammation and oxidative stress, vital for kidney health. Garlic. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, garlic aids in reducing kidney inflammation and acts as a natural diuretic, helping eliminate excess sodium and water. Cabbage. Low in potassium, cabbage is rich in phytonutrients that support liver function, aiding in detoxification and reducing the workload on kidneys. Apples. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, apples help lower cholesterol levels and combat inflammation, supporting kidney function and overall health. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants and low in potassium, they combat oxidative stress, support digestive health, and are safe for those with compromised kidney function. Salmon. Abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon reduces inflammation and provides high-quality protein without overloading kidneys. It also supports cardiovascular health, crucial for kidney function. Spinach. A nutrient powerhouse, spinach contains essential vitamins and antioxidants. While high in potassium, boiling it can reduce potassium levels, making it kidney-friendly. Cherries. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, cherries reduce inflammation and regulate blood pressure, benefiting kidney health. Watermelon. With its high water content and lycopene antioxidants, watermelon aids in hydration and reduces oxidative stress, supporting kidney function. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can significantly improve kidney health and overall well-being. Remember, every small change you make contributes to a healthier future. Stay informed, eat wisely, and take care of your kidneys. Thanks for joining us on Health Buddy. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful health tips and share this valuable information with others. Stay healthy, stay informed.